Here at Aerni Dental, we pride ourselves in providing a state-of-the-art facility. I know today we are very busy. We have kids in sports, we have business meetings to make. For somebody to take multiple days off to actually have something completed in dentistry for their dental health is very frustrating. Here I've been doing what we call digital dentistry. It's three-dimensional restorative dentistry. So if patients of mine come in, they've broken a tooth, they need to have a crown done or some restorative work done, they know they can take 1 2-hour segment away from the office, away from their family duties, and they know that they can actually come in, have that work done, and have everything completed in one visit.